Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a great selection of some of the top knife brands out there, and Benchmade knives are one of the best. We have a new knife release that's available right now, and this is the Benchmade Redoubt Folding Knife, and it's a knife that is ready for anything, whether for everyday carry or self-defense. This solid knife is a great knife to carry. The drop point blade is made from CPM D2 steel, and the handle is made of gray and green Grivory and includes a reversible tip-up deep carry pocket clip. And for more specifications, please see the comments below. It costs $162, and that includes free shipping. And make sure to subscribe to see new releases coming soon, specials, discount codes, and other everyday carry gear. Thank you.